What's up? What's up? It's DJ Focus back at it again. We've been going at it for the last 2 weeks as far as DJ tips. With those DJ tips, we got some questions. One of the questions being, is it a difference between being a club DJ and a sports DJ? It's definitely a difference, and we're going to go over it. What's up? It's DJ Focus back at it again. And today I want to talk to you about the differences between being a club DJ and a sports DJ. And we're going to get into it. Let's go. I've been blessed to DJ in events such as festivals, 10 seasons of college basketball, private events. The energy is crazy in all these events, but there's a difference. The first difference in DJing a club and sports is preparation. When you're DJing a club, most of the prep happens the day before, probably a couple hours before the event. When you're talking to the promoters, they telling you how they want things to go, or even the club owner, they giving you a direction of what they thinking. But at the end of the day, it's your scheme on how you want things to go and how you want the people to react. All right, so when you're DJing a club, most of the prep happens before the night. Curating playlists and track lists. Once you're there, it's mostly about reading the crowd and keeping the vibe right. I need to arrive way earlier, sometimes hours before warm-ups. There's 4 meetings with promotions, game operations, cheerleaders, and even the hosts. Everybody has cues, from timeouts to media to giveaways, and all of that has to sync with my music. So I got to make sure my cues are right. Timeouts, media breaks, giveaways, and all of that has to sync with my music. No freestyles. It's structured chaos in the best way. Difference number 2 is teamwork. In the club, we focus on just me and the crowd, maybe the MC. We rocking, we vibing. But in sports, I'm one part of a bigger production. I've got to be in sync with everybody. The announcer, the cheer squad, the host, everybody. If the cheer team has a routine, I got to make sure it's queued up exactly right where they need to start. If marketing wants a shout out, I need to make sure to fade the music just in time for them to make announcements. It's way more coordination than just showing up and reading the energy. You got to be locked in. Difference number 3, it's actually easier in sports than in private gigs. I don't need to bring a full PA system. Just my controller, my laptop, and my monitor for personal sound. The arena already has the big speakers. Still, I treat it like any other show. I bring a backup controller just in case, but your time has to be on point. You're dropping music between plays and during timeouts. Seconds matter more than ever, so make sure you're on point. So yeah, club DJ versus sports DJ are 2 totally different lanes. And one, you're reading the room in real time, and the other, you're executing a production plan. But both should share one thing. It's all about the energy. You want to make sure you bring that energy to the people. Whether it's 200 people in a club or 2,000 fans in one arena, your goal is to make sure they feel something they can take home with them. If y'all found this helpful, drop a comment below. Tell me which environment you love to spend in, whether it's a club DJ or a sporting event. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Much love. It's DJ Focus. Let's go.